What letter? What letter should I pick? It's really confusing. See all these letters? I think I'm gonna go with Q. Oh. It's alright, I got another spin. I'm not playing against anybody. Not a bad amount. Let's go with M. This is pretty gay. That was a pretty good spin. Just missed the 700. It's a lot of money. It's a real tough choice. You're gonna have to go F. This game's gay. I'm spinning the wheel. Oh. I'm thinking X, but I think I'm gonna go with T. You got it.